In this video, I'll be trading with my entire life savings in the stock market to see if I can outperform the S&P 500.
Which is the index of the top 500 most valuable US stocks. What's an index? It's like a robot buying those stocks. Anyway, it returns about 7% per year.
What we have to do in order for this challenge to be successful, I have to make more than 10%. And I'm gonna try to outperform an entire year worth of gain in just a single day. But in order to do that, we need money, and I currently have no savings in my bank account, as you can see, but I have a solution for that. This is our capital. This is a 370 rand unemployment benefits from the government, a loan from my sister, and my allowance from my mother, and also my last $1, which is 16 rand. So now we have capital. Let's trade. But in order to do that, we need a trading account. I discovered I had an old trading account from high school with 67 cents in it, and this is a real account, as you can see here. It's not a demo. So I decided to deposit 200 rand, and we're given a bonus of 200 rand. So we're trading with 200 rand of our money and 200 rand of the broker's money. And I took my first trade on USD. I was in a loss. And this is our trade right here. I was betting that the market would go up, as you can see by the blue lines, and that is my take profits. The market kept on going up, and I was starting to see some profits. You see? And as you can see, I was adding 8 rand, 7 rand per trade. Overall, I was up by 45 rand, and it kept on going up. Show me the money, baby. And after a few hours, I ended up closing everything. I was up by 35%. I was happy. And I did not waste any time. I withdraw all my money, as you can see right here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you outperform the S&P 500. And the account was left with 0. We're able to make 3 years of gain in just a single day, and you could just end the video right here. But no, what do you think this is? We went back again, baby. We went back with double the money with 440 rand, and this is a real account. We don't trade demos right here, as you can see. Concrete proof, baby. And let me show you, this is our deposits and our bonus, and let's trade. Yeah, I lost 27 bucks. So clearly that was not working, so I decided to start recording everything that I do. Here I was betting that the market would go down, but clearly it was not doing what I predicted. So I got frustrated and started adding more orders, which was a very bad idea. Let me show you. So if it goes up, I will lose all of my account. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna recover from this, a huge loss. But after a few minutes, I closed all those losses and I was in profit again, and the market was going down my direction. So a smart thing to do is to always protect your profit. So I'm just gonna put a stop loss just below my entries, so that if it goes back up, it will close and I won't be in a loss anymore, because I learned that the hard way, that you must always protect your profit at all times. So right now we're running risk free. If the market goes back up, we know that it's protected, even though I can go do something else. So just going down a little bit more. I was milking it. I closed some few orders and I was up by 100 rand. Overall, as you can see, these are my trades. These are some trade that I was losing, and these are my trades that perform very well. So overall, my account was up by 187. Don't count the bonus, we're just counting the real money that I have, not the broker's money. But even with that, we outperformed the S&P 500 with 42%. Now, I already proved my point twice that you can outperform the S&P 500 in a day, but I wanted to show you that we can push this even further. I went back the next day, taking buys, betting that the market would go up, as you can see right here. At first, it didn't want to go up. This is, mind you, 1 hour of recording, and you're gonna see it in just 36 seconds. And after an hour, it went up just a bit, and then I removed my take profit so that I will let it go up. And as you can see, I already protected my trade so that if it goes down, it will close automatically. And I even felt so confident that I decided to take a snack while trading and watching it. Yummy. And that was a good decision, because we doubled the account 100% in 2 days. Now, a smart person will close and withdraw everything, but no, I decided to go back again because I wanted to show that I am the GOAT. But that is the worst decision ever. I bet here that the market will go up, but no, it went down against my prediction. My TP was small and my stop loss was small. I already lost a huge amount and I lost everything. Look at this, everything gone, just like that, because of greed. 120% gone. So I just made my bed. The time is 5:21 and I'm going to finish what I started. Yeah, let's go, boys. So because I don't have gloves, I'm gonna use this cloth. It is a wet cloth that I'm just going to cover here so that my hands won't have. See, my hands are okay, so we should keep them that way by using this cloth to avoid the friction burning my hands. Looking lovely outside. The fog is beautiful, hey? The fog is very beautiful. So right here I have corn which I'm going to make. I picked it up from my garden which I planted. Right there is my useless sister who stole the corn from my neighbor's garden. Look at her, smiling like a thief. You thief! Peter a thief. Yes. But it's a good thing because she's a thief. So this is my corn. It's only been 2 minutes and she burnt it. She's cooking beans. I mean, and I bet it tastes awful. She's saying patlan. I brought her some firewood and yet still the food is not watering. Aibo.